Hello children, today we will see adjectives and their degree of class 4. Before we before we see the adjectives and their degree, we will see the 3 degrees, that is the positive degree, the comparative degree and the superlative degrees. Okay, so there are all total 3 degrees, that is positive, comparative and the superlative degree. So at first we will see what is a positive degree is. So when we compare something for example, big, this mango is as big as an orange, or an apple is as big as an orange. So when we make a comparison with this kind of words like big, aggressive, sweet, so for example, the lion is as aggressive as the tiger. When we make a comparison of someone with something in a positive degree, so then we make use of simple words like an apple is as big as orange, he is as aggressive as something like the lion is as aggressive as tiger. Okay, honey is as sweet as chocolate. Alright, so these are the some of the words where we see the comparison of one thing with another. Alright, so then the next comes our comparative degree. So here we will see what is a comparative degree is. How to determine whether which one is a comparative degree. So whenever there is the addition of er in the end of the word, that means that word is in a comparative degree. For example, Ram is taller than Rahim. So when we are asked to make use of a comparative degree, we will always use er. For example, Ram is taller than Rahim, Shita is older than Kita. So in all this word, what we see is that there is an addition of er and a comparison is made like he is more than him. Okay, so the car is faster than a bicycle. Okay, but also there are some words where we cannot always use er at the end of a word. For example, if I say the watching movie is dash more interesting, so what will you write? So there are some words like interesting, okay, or interest. We cannot add a comparative degree like interester or interest test. Okay, so what will we make use of? It is more interesting and most interesting. Okay, interesting is in a what called positive degree, and then in comparative degree er is made use, but in some of the words er is not made use, so we will make use of more interesting, and for the superlative degree that we will see ahead, we will make use of most interesting. So this is all about comparative degree. So the next is superlative degree. So what is superlative degree is, when I say taller, it is a comparative degree, but when we talk about superlative degree, at the end, as there was er at the end of the word, when there is er at the end of the word is comparative, but when there is est in the end of any word, it will be in a superlative degree. For example, prettiest, easiest, ugliest, all these words are superlative degree because est are there in the end of the word. For example, she is the most prettiest. Okay, then this is the best thing I have ever seen, or he is the ugliest person I have ever seen. So est is making the word superlative. Similarly, as I have said that there are words where we cannot use er or est to represent comparative or superlative degree, so what will we add is more and most. For example, if I ask you to frame any sentence in a superlative degree using the word interest, you have to write this is the most interesting thing, or this is the most interesting game. Okay, so in comparative degree we will make use of a word more, and in superlative degree we will make use of a word most. Okay, so this is all about positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree.